Okay. Now next, tell me next question.
So sixth one.
Let me clear this. Sixth one. Sure. In how many ways the words of vowels consonant occupy the same relative position as combined? So tell me which are the position for consonants? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 places only they should interchange the consonants. So consonants can be arranged in 4 factors. Remaining how much other places are there? 3 places are there. That can be arranged how many ways?
3 factorial ways.
Okay.
So total 24 into 6. 144.
144.
Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Have any problem? 8. Please
Yes, sir. 8.
Yes, sir. 8.
8.
Letters of the equations arranged in a row should begin with E and ends with N. So beginning should be how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Begins with E only one way. Ends with N only one way. How many remaining places are there? 3, 6, 7, 8.
6 factorial.
Answer is 6 factorial. Question number 9, any problem? 10, 11.
The
10th one.
10th
So
one.
10th one.
In how many ways vowels occupy first, third, and fourth, and fifth, and sixth position? So vowels have how many positions? How many in which letter? In the previous question, in the equation. Equation. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
And how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3. The vowels should occupy how many positions? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they can be arranged in 5 factorial. Remaining can be arranged in 3 factorial. Vowels should be in the first. So how many positions are available for vowels? 5 positions. How many vowels are there? 5. So how many ways vowels can be arranged? 5 factorial. Remaining there are three letters and 3 places. So 3 factorial. 120 into 6. So 750. Fine. Not understood, must tell me. Yeah? 11, any problem?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
12,
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
13.
Yes, sir. 13th one.
The number of ways the letters of the triangle can be arranged so that 2 vowels do not occur together. 2 ways to do this method. Total arrangement, total possible arrangement, minus vowels together. 2 vowels together. How many vowels are there? I, A, E, O. Then we cannot do this method. What you have to do is, no 2 vowels should be together. No, so gap filling method you have to apply. Okay. So if gap filling method, how many consonants are there? 1, 2.
5.
5.
Vowels, how many? 3. So first arrange the consonants. How many ways you can arrange them? 5 factorial.
5.
In between you put the consonants.
6.
How many? 6p3. So 5 factorial into 6p3. So 5 factorial into 6 factorial upon 3 factorial.
It will be 120 into 120,
into 5 into
14477.
So 120 into 120, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
14400.
14400.
So can you show the eighth one also?
Which one?
Uh,
Which question? Which question? Which question? Okay, I didn't hear. I think she got disconnected. Okay, question number then 14. Any problem?
Yes, sir. 14th also, sir.
In how many ways can three physics books, 4 chemistry, 5 maths be arranged so that books of the same subject are together? So
Yes,
physics
sir.
together,
1, 2,
chemistry
3.
together. So 1, 1, 1. So 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial.
Into 5 factorial.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
If anywhere answer is not marked, you must tell me. Some question I forgot to put the answer. Question number 12, you have a problem. Okay, question number 12. How many ways can the letters of the story be arranged so that T is always next to Y? That means YT should be 1. Then you have S. Then you have O. Then you have R. Tell me how many ways T is always next to
4
Y.
factorial into 2 factorial.
Into 2 factorial, 4 factorial. First.
Why?
Why
Why
T is always next to T should be next means house.
So it should be 4 factorial into 2 factorial. No?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by T is always next to Y?
Why?
Acha, T is always next to Y. Understood. So you cannot change the position of T. T should not come first.
बाद में आना चाहिए. Y के बाद आना.
Okay.
Yes.
वो Y miss out हो गया है ना? Okay.
Understood, sir.
Next one. Any other doubt?
No. Sir, in 16th sum, you didn't give the answer. It
Okay.
says that it has no answer. And I had doubt in 17th.
16 one, what was the question?
One second.
Maths books are always together. So maths is assumed as 1. So 8 factorial into 5 factorial, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is A.
A.
Okay. Now next one. 17th question, any problem?
Sir, I had doubt in 17th.
Person
I wrote the option B.
sit in a row, find the number of arrangement if X, Y sets sit together in a particular order. In a particular order means only one way you can arrange X, Y set. You cannot interchange them. 7 persons are there, remaining 4.
So what's the difference between particular order and any order? It's the next question says that it's any order.
X is before Y, Y before Z. This is a particular order.
Okay,
Can't interchange them.
understood.
So number of arrangement will be 5 factorial.
5 factorial, understood.
Is it marked in the question?
Yeah, it's marked, it's marked.
7 persons sit in a row. Find the number of arrangement X, Y, Z together in any order. So it will be 5 factorial into 3 factorial.
This, yeah.
Answers marked, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find the number of X and Y occupy and end seat. Is it that written? 2 factorial into 5 factorial.
5 factorial, yes.
20th one. Find the number of Y occupies the middle position. So one point is Y is taken off, remaining 6 factorial. Y sits in the middle. There are 6 seats left and 6 people left. So 6 factorial.
Okay.
Fine, no?
Yes,
4
sir.
men and 3 women, 3
Yes,
children
sir.
sit in a photograph. Find the number of arrangement 2 children sit together. Children sit together. 8 factorial into 2 factorial, correct? Do not sit together, it is. Do not sit together.
Sir, it's 8 factorial into 7, na?
If they do not sit together means whether of one possibility of gap filling method. Another possibility is all possible arrangement minus together arrangement.
I did gap filling method.
7 factorial into 8 people. Is it okay? Gap filling method. 22. Find the number of if no 2 women sit together. So arrange the 6 factorial. 6 factorial into 7p3. Okay. Yes or no? Nobody is speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
3, no problem. 24.
Yes, sir.
Which one?
25.
24.
25. Okay. 24 also.
Yes,
7
sir.
papers
Yes,
are
sir.
second exam, out of which 2 of them are match. So there are total 7 papers, 5 not match, and 2 match. In how many ways paper can arrange so that match paper are not consecutive? So match paper not together.
Gap filling method.
So 5 gap filling, 5 factorial into 6p2. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Letters of the word simple is arranged in all point the number of arrangements if which E is before M. This is a very interesting problem. Total, how many arrangements are possible? 6 factorial. Na?
Yes, sir.
There are only 2 possibilities. Either E is before M or M is after E, right? Yes or no?
E should be before M.
Either one possibility out of the 6 factorial, there are only 2 possibilities. In one possibility, E is before M. Another possibility, M is before E. Can you tell me how many times E will be before M? Half of it. Half the time E will be before M, half the time M will be before E. So 6 factorial divided by 2. समझा कि नहीं?
No, sir, it's not clear. Can you
No,
explain it
sir,
again?
not clear.
Any arrangement, A, B, C, you do any arrangement with this. Either E got to be, either B got to be before C or C got to be before B, and no other possibilities are there. 50% of the arrangement B will be before C and 50% of the arrangement C will be before B. Correct now? You are standing in a queue. Make all possible arrangement. Either Miss Anam will be before me or Anam will be after me. These are the only 2 possibilities. So all possible arrangement, 50% of cases Anam will be before me and Anam will be after me in remaining 50%. Samjha ki nahi? You do any
Sir,
arrangement.
but it said that which E is before M. Only one person.
That's what I'm telling. E is S, E, I, P, L, M. Who is before?
E is before M.
Now you make another arrangement. Tell me, read out one arrangement. You tell me one arrangement. M, L, I, P, E, S, whatever it is. There are only 2 possibilities in the whole system.
Okay.
Either E can be before M or M can be before E. No other way it can be arranged. You cannot have E and M in same position. Is it possible?
No, sir.
So how many cases E will be before M? Half of the case.
50 cases.
50% cases. And 50% of cases M will be before E. Is it fine or no?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
understood.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So the total arrangement is 6 factorial divided by 2. So 720 divided by 2. That is 360 cases. 360 cases E will be before M. Samjha ki nahi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. No? Any other doubt? Anybody?
No.
No, sir.
Anybody? All anything is not marked other than that question number 16. Any other question? You said 2 questions are not marked the answers.
No, only one.
Only one. Okay. Fine. Everybody, any doubt? Anybody? So I'll send the marks again because